Hey, it's the Midnight Raven, and today we're going to do a mystery makeup bag unbagging. Recently, we've done loads of mystery boxes that have been hair and makeup and jewelry, and today we're going to do another makeup one. It's been a while since I've done this particular company. I did them, I want to say 6 months ago, and I thought I would try them again. So the actual order itself was $4.49 for 5 items, so that makes every item incredibly cheap. Under £1 for each item. It's like 75 odd pence, so it's pretty good value, I must say. Inside, they sent me a thing. It says beauty77.co.uk, Beautyukonline. That was the eBay name that I managed to get it. It says, we understand that deliver in order what you want, any problems, blah, 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 feedback. You can also go to info@beauty77.co.uk. I believe they have an actual site as well. I'm not sure. Just by judging by that, I would say they have an actual eBay store as well as an actual website. It comes in this little envelope, which did get a bit battered, I must say. It was only in a little mailer bag, to be fair. There's no bubble wrap or anything like that. So we've got 5 items. Some of these items I've previously had by these, and some I haven't. I think possibly 2 out of the 5, or 3 out of the 5 I think we've previously had before. But that is the thing you get with a mystery bag. You never know what you're going to get, and that's the risk you take. So the first item here we have is a Colorama 5-day nail care color, and this is courtesy of Maybelline. It is in this luminous bright red it's called Electric Orchid. It is a bright pink. Look at that fluorescent pink color. It is a good size bottle. This is 7.5 mils, so it is a fairly small bottle. But with nail varnish, the thing is, if you get too big a nail varnish pot, they go off quite quickly after you've opened them. So unless it's a colour you're going to wear regularly, they soon dry out. So there we have it. This Colorama colour. Pink isn't my colour, so this will probably go to be resold. The next item is an eyeshadow, and this is in the colour Camel. This is by Jordana. We've had items from them before in mystery bags. It comes like this. And this is like a tan colour. And I can just get it undone. Like a tan brown colour. It looks like this. It does look a little bit lighter than what it's actually showing up on the thing. It's slightly lighter. It is a beautiful colour. If you just want a little highlight on your eyes, just to give you that little tiny bit of colour. We always do get eyeshadows. Eyeshadows happen quite a lot in mystery bags, as well as eyeliners or mascara. The next item is this fabulous gel eyeliner and highlighter from Miss Sporty. Now this one we've had as well. We've had the previous 2 as well. This is from Miss Sporty, and it's in black and white. We have a black eyeliner. We have a white highlighter. This one is actually a sealed item. It also comes with an applicator brush in there as well. One of these edging in applicator ones for when you do your eyeshadow. So it's a duo, which is kind of cool. So you can take this around with you and do your eyes and then do your highlighting as well. That's a pretty cool set. So the 2 I don't believe we've had. This one is the Jordana Star Liner for lips. So we have a lip liner. This is a huge pencil. This is what you call one of these Kaja pencils. So they are huge. You'd struggle to get this in a makeup bag, to be fair. It is absolutely humongous. And it's a brownie colour. It's a really faint brown. It's hard to show you because it needs sharpening. It kind of looks like this. It's a very faint brown, but it does need sharpening a bit. It is showing slightly there. So it's not my colour. I'm not really into browns and tans, but it does go with the eyeshadow though. So if you were using the eyeshadow in the tan and then the brown, they would go together. Maybe not the pink nail varnish, but those two would definitely go together. And then the fifth item we've never had before, and this is for definite. This is the Instant Colour and Shine, and this is from Miss Sporty, and this is the Lasting Shiny Lip Colour. So this is basically what you'd call a lip crayon, and it looks like this. Let's see if we can get some colour. Ooh, it's kind of cute. So there's the colour. It's like a reddy purple. It's got a bit of shine to it, like it says. It does say shiny, so it has actually got a bit of a shimmer to it. It's not like glittery shimmer, it's more like a satin sheen to it. See that? Gorgeous colour. I'd actually wear that, to be fair. It is a nice purple. So all in all, you've got the purple lip crayon. We've got the lip liner that's in a kind of brown colour. You've got the kind of tanny brown eyeshadow that would go well. And I suppose you could wear the purple. It's not a completely off colour to the brown. It does kind of go. You have the fabulous highlighter and eyeliner. And then you have the Colorama Pink, or Electric Orchid as it calls it, nail varnish, which doesn't really go with the rest. I wouldn't suggest wearing the pink with the brown, unless you really want to. It doesn't really go. These four kind of do. So like I said, you get 5 mystery items. It's $4.49. It's free P&P. It's from Beautyukonline UK. From what I can gather, they have a website called info@beauty77.co.uk, as well as an eBay site, which I will try and link down below. So if you want to get items like this, check them out. If you want to like and subscribe to me, I do have a playlist with all my unboxings, all my premieres, and all my mystery makeup unboxings. If you want to go check that out, that would be awesome. Comment down below your favourite item, like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye!